Hi everyone, I wanted to make a short video to help you with a few more of the questions from your homework for section 10.2. This question asks us to determine the exact time from the first date to the second date. Assume the year is not a leap year. Remember we talked about in class that banks use a 360-day year? So this question is contingent upon that fact. To answer this question, we can click this icon that is embedded in the question to bring up a table. So we are looking for the dates from March 15th to November 9th. All right, so I'm going to click the icon and look at this table. You need to realize that the blue writing are the days of the month. You find the months listed in black at the top of the table. And we are looking for March 15th. So we can come here, it's the 15th day, so we are here. And March 15th, March is right, the fourth column over, March is here, and the 15th would be day 74. Day 74. And then we want to find out how many days passed between March 15th, which was day 74, and November 9th. So again, we're going to come to the top, find the month for November, and we're going to scroll down to November 9th, and I don't have my glasses on, so bear with me. And that's day 313. And now we will just subtract to find how many days pass between them. Okay? So March 15th was day 74, and November 9th was day 313. Because from March to November is still within the same year, okay, we would subtract to find how many days pass between them. And that would be 239 calendar days. Let's look at another example. This will help you on problem number 8 from your homework for 10.2. It says use a simple interest formula to determine the missing value. This time they've given us the principal of $1,575. The time is 4 years and the interest earned was $113.40. We are looking for the rate. All right, let's go ahead and set this up and solve it. I'm going to scroll to the whiteboard. We are using the formula simple interest equals principal times rate times time, and the time has to be expressed in years. And now I'm going to just label the values from the problem. The principal was $1,575, $113.40 was the interest. So the interest was $113.40, principal was $1,575, and the time was 4 years. We're looking for our interest rate. So let's substitute the values into the formula. We are given the interest. We know the interest was $113.40. It's going to equal $1,575 times the rate that we don't know times the time, which is 4. So $113.40 equals 6,300 times R. If we want to get the R by itself, we need to undo the operation that's being done, which is multiplication. So we need to divide both sides by 6,300. And we find that the interest rate is 0.018. And they want us to write the interest rate as a percentage, I do believe. Let's go back to the other screen to see if we need to change the decimal to a percent. And we do. So to change this decimal to a percent, we are going to multiply by 100 or move the decimal place 2 spaces to the right. So this would be 1.8%.